It's strange how a face can look like a home you don't recognize anymore. Same eyes, same mouth, but somewhere along the way, something went missing. Maybe it slipped out with the last apology I never said, or maybe it rotted in the silence. You ever notice how quiet it gets right before you make a choice? Like the whole world just stops breathing. No wind, no hum of the fridge, not even your own heartbeat. Just silence, heavy, waiting, like it wants to see what you'll do if you'll step forward or turn back, like it's holding its breath for you. She was the most beautiful girl I'd ever seen. And to think I was ready to disappear tonight. I had it all planned, the silence, the neatness of it. And then, you. No one ever knocks on my door, not in years. This house doesn't get visitors. It's a tomb with plumbing. The only sound I ever hear is my own breathing. And the clock. Always the clock, ticking like it knows something I don't. Counting down to nothing. And then, there you were. A sound I didn't recognize. A knock, small, almost nervous, but real. For a second, I thought I imagined it. For a second, I almost didn't open the door. And when I did, God, it felt like waking up inside someone else's life. You were standing there, wild, beautiful, rain running down your face like tears you didn't have time to cry. And it didn't make sense. None of it did. People like you don't end up on the doorstep of men like me. Not unless something's broken.